Hello YouTube, this is the Crypto Master. I'm here to bring you top quality videos about the cryptocurrency market and different tips on investing, buying, selling, trading, and I will spotlight different coins. So what my channel is going to do is going to try to provide a good reference and good information for people looking to get into the crypto market. And that is what I'm here to do. So today I'm going to explain about crypto or virtual currency and the main way to tell the price, which is on cryptocurrency market cap. Now first of all, I'm on this. You should watch this video if you know at least a little bit about cryptocurrency. I'm not here to explain everything from somebody who knows nothing about it. You can find plenty of other videos to explain the complete basics. I am here if you know a little bit about cryptocurrency, but you want to hear more and learn more about it, and that is what I'm here to do. Now, if you want to get involved in the cryptocurrency market, the best place to start is you go to CoinMarketCap.com, which is right here. As you can see here, you type in CoinMarketCap.com, and then you are there, and that's how you get to CoinMarketCap.com. Now, once you're at CoinMarketCap.com, it basically compiles a list of statistics of the top coins. Now, currently, the CoinMarketCap is ever expanding, so the list can go on. Currently, there are 86 coins out there, or the 86 biggest coins. There's actually over hundreds, maybe even thousands of coins out there. But this lists the top ones based on market cap, which is the price times the total supply. So now we're going to break it down. So when you look here, it has two exchange rates. You can view them in Bitcoins, which are the leading coin, or in US dollars. Currently they do not have any international currencies, but if your currency does not use US dollars, what you can do is you can look at the price and you convert that into your national currency. But now, so you can view it in US dollars. Unless you own Bitcoins, you're going to want to view it in US dollars. Then see this tab here that says filter non-mineable. Now, mining cryptocurrencies is the process of basically cracking the algorithm of the coins and authenticating the transaction. Because you see, when a transaction is sent, like from virtual wallet A to virtual wallet B, it is somebody has to authenticate the transaction by cracking the algorithm. And when they crack the algorithm and send or verify the transaction, they get a commission sum. And that is one of the great things about all virtual currency, is that it's self-sustaining, because helping make transactions gives you a commission sum, so the economy is self-sustainable, which is very nice. So mining is the process of confirming the transaction, and once you confirm the transaction, you get a commission sum of whatever currency. So if you did Bitcoins as an example, then you get a certain commission sum. I'm not sure what the exact percent is, but you'd get a few coins for authenticating a transaction. So that is mine. But some coins are actually not mineable, like Ripple's here. So that can alter the scales. So if you want, currently I can't really filter. Yeah, if you click here, it will filter the non-mineable. So as you can see, the Ripples are gone, and as you can see now, there's only 83 coins instead of 86, which means there are 3 non-mineable coins out there, because the non-mineable coins tip the scale because there's basically an infinite amount, so their value can be skewed. I can tell you about that in another, because I plan on doing videos where I spotlight individual coins for more in-depth stuff about them. So now let's go back to all the coins. Now, just a quick overview of the cryptocurrency market. Basically, it's virtual currency, and it is worth a certain amount of national currencies. The rate varies. But about 5 years ago, this coin here, Bitcoin, was created. As you can see, when you click on the coin, it takes them to their site. So this guy in his college dorm basically created a virtual currency. Now, when it started, he put the price at 10 cents. When some cautious investors bought a few just to speculate, some people were gutsy, and they bought thousands and thousands. Now, then, about a few years later, they were at $120 each, and now 5 years later, they're at $834 each. Because of Bitcoin's long-term success, it managed to stay successful for over 5 years and is still going strong. Clones or knockoff coins were created, and these were trying to replicate the success. Then first came Litecoins, then some other coins, and the top 15 coins are the biggest coins out there. So while you can still invest in Bitcoin, you may not want to, because the thing is that you miss your opportunity with Bitcoins. I mean, yes, they actually have a chance of going up, but they're already at $834, so the gross profit isn't going to be as much as if you invested 5 years ago when they were at 10 cents. If you held on to your Bitcoins now, you would have been a millionaire. But there are plenty of other coins. As an example, Litecoins a few months ago were $3, and now they're at $22. Feather coins, my personal favorite that I invested in, I bought them at 7 cents. They peaked at $1.30 a few months ago. Now they've been staying stable between 30 to 50 cents. Nova coins are $13. Some of these are worth something, while some of them are so small, like Fedora coins right here. Their value has to be expressed in a scientific notation. The virtual currency market is a hard market to crack. As you can see, only a small portion of the coins are actually worth something. As you can see, the MasterCoin is worth $77, but then if you go down here, tickets have to be expressed in a scientific notation. They're not even a cent. So you have to be cautious when investing. You have to look at their price, their change in the last 24 hours, if they've gone up and down in price, their market cap, and total supply. Now, total supply is the amount in circulation. Currently, Bitcoins, very few people make Bitcoins anymore because there's no reason to. They take a lot of time and resource to mine Bitcoins, because you create Bitcoins by mining. That is why a lot of new coins want to cap the supply. They're going to close the source code, because with the source code you can create your own coins, but developers are going to close the source code. Like when Feathercoin, when they reach 336 million coins, the source code will close, which will also increase their value, because some coins, like the Infinite coin, let's see, there are 89 trillion. The developer made the mistake of having a big block rate, which I will talk more about in my mining video. But what that means is that he made it very easy to mine and produce coin, which is not a good thing. As you can see, their value is very low. So just because there's a lot of coins does not mean that they're valuable. But also just because there's a small amount of coins doesn't mean they're valuable. They have to strike balance, and eventually the developers have to stop making the coins if they want them to be valuable. So, as I said, Bitcoin started it, but so now there's been a recent boom, and there's been lots of coins being developed, and a lot of them have been gaining lots of money, and news media has been talking about them, and people have been wanting to invest in them. So the cryptocurrency market has been increasing. So that is the cryptocurrency market, and you're probably thinking, how do you invest in them? You can buy them off eBay, which is not a smart idea. I'll tell you about that later in another video. Or you can buy them on specific sites for trading. But what I'm going to show you now is this is how you tell the value. They're valuable because of different hashes and security in the code. And you're probably thinking they're investing in nothing. But think about it. When you invest in stock, you're not really investing anything. Well, yes, you have you can have like bonds, but that's really just a representation. And then I have the whole thing that money's technically not worth anything. People have agreed on it. But then we're getting into this whole philosophical debate, and I'm not here to talk about philosophical debate about money. I'm here to give you important information on how to manipulate and make your way through the cryptocurrency market. But anyway, as I was saying, there's not many sites that give you like a simple value. A lot of them have very complex values, often not in US dollars, and other coins, like just in the top coins, like Bitcoins or Litecoins or Pure coins or name coins. But this is the best site for both casual investors and hardcore investors, because it gives you the price in US dollars. So if you look here, it ranks them by market cap, which, as I said, is the total amount in circulation, which is total supply, times the price. As you can see, Bitcoin. So that means if you owned every Bitcoin, you'd have $10 billion worth of US dollars. And then it ranks them by market cap. Currently, there's only 2 that are in the billions. The rest are in the millions. And some, if you go all the way down, don't look at these because the value hasn't been determined yet. Every once in a while, you can go to the site when they're in the process of updating the value, so this may take a while. Craft coins are only at $75,000. And that is probably due to the lack of coins. There's only 312,000 in circulation. So that's why it's also not good to have too many, because then the market cap is low. And you want a pretty big market cap for your coin that you're going to invest. So as you can see here, it tells the total supplies, plus it says the trade volume. How many dollars worth has been traded in the last 24 hours? For Bitcoins, $19 million have been traded over the last 24 hours. And then you can see the percent change in value of 24 hours. As you can see, it's been pretty even. Most coins have been going up. A few have been going down, like grains or Argentums. And then, if you look here, you can see a graph. This is currently the 7-day graph, but if you click on here, you can see up to a 180-day graph, which is about half a year. As you can see, they've been going up and they've been staying pretty much stable for Bitcoins. So you can view that. Then if you click on, then also you can view them by price. Now, as you can see, there's actually a coin bigger than 40 Bitcoin. It's called 42 coin. I will tell you about that in another video. It's a unique coin. You can view total supply. As you can see, Colossal coin has the most. It's a lot of coins with 312 trillion. As you can see, their value is so small it has to be expressed in a scientific notation. So that's why a total supply is not good. If it's too big, then you can see how many have been traded in the last hour. Then you can see the change in the 24 hours. This coin, Vertcoin, has gone up 31%. In the last 24 hours. So that is market. Then you can view them in Bitcoins and see it says price 1 Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoins are worth 1 Bitcoin. Ripples, so small, aren't that they need to be expressed in scientific notation. They're not even worth 0.1 Bitcoins. Then if you look at 42 coins, that weird coin that's over $233,000 each, you will see that it is much more. Now let's find, where is 42 coin? Here, you can view its price in Bitcoin. As you can see, a single 42 coin is worth about 294.5 Bitcoins. So that basically, in a nutshell, is CoinMarketcap. Then if you click on the price, actually, like if you click on the price, you can view the crypto coin charts. You can view them. You can view 42 coins to Bitcoins. You can actually view more detailed prices in different coins. And actually, I may have been wrong. I think you actually may be able to view them in euros and yens. So basically, that is cryptocurrency in a nutshell. So stay tuned for the Crypto Masters. I will be bringing you more detailed videos about different aspects of virtual currency, such as mining, investing, how to buy and sell, spotlights on different coins. Thank you for viewing this video. Goodbye.